Good morning, everybody. We are here. We are ready to go. We are looking good. We got Mo G first in the chat. Mo Outdo. We got Mo Outdo. Mo Nigav. Good morning to you. Outdoor Smile Gorilla Frank. We got Old Rounder. We got Mo G Dark Bro Mo G Dark Bro Gary Dark Bro. All of you guys, so glad to have you in here right now. That is not the thing that I want on the bottom right hand side of the screen. I want that. No, that's good. This hair is way too long. As you guys can see, I did not cut my hair this weekend, and I absolutely need to. So we'll have to do that sometime else, but not right now. Let's jump into that. That's not the market. Let's jump into the market and see what we got going on. Nope. That's the market. We got AMC in the top left-hand side of the screen sitting at $5.30. $2.42% higher today. Shiba Inu coin, 915 points per coin. Down or up from yesterday's tragic lows, man. 850 points per coin do we touch? 850 points per coin, man. Strong support at that 850 point per coin level. Currently sitting at 916 points per coin. It is trying its best not to die out. GameStop, bottom right, 1589. Bitcoin at the bottom left looking strong at $45,000 and $45,045 per coin. The Nasdaq soaring. Flying, sitting 1.34% higher on the day today. NASDAQ is looking good right there. If you go to the daily chart, you can see that it is on its way back up nicely right now. But we're on the minute chart, so let's look at that one. We got Dogecoin, 7.9 cents, making its way back up. You got Ethereum, 22.67. You got Shib, 9.16. You got Bitcoin, $45,050. The SPY sitting at 471.06. You got the QQQ, 402.13, making its way back up here, following the NASDAQ. You got Mullen Auto, 13.10, down 2.24%. Sundial sitting at $1.66. Netflix, 4.79. Highcroft Mining, 2.49. MPW, 347, man. MPW is sitting down here. The dividend is going to be juicy if they do not cut it. Tesla sitting at $239 a share. Amazon, $147, and Apple, $184. Apple looking pretty good today, up almost 2% on the day. We're going to watch Bitcoin play out on the bottom left-hand side of the screen. It is facing strong resistance in that $45,000 area. So, my goodness. We'll see how that plays out. Yo, Clay, Happy New Year to you and the bros. Crypto Dreamer, Happy New Year to you as well, man. Glad to have you in here right now. And have you been in here since the beginning of the year, man? Or are you just coming in and saying Happy New Year a little late to everybody? Sup, bros? What's going on, Gary? Where we at? AMC. What about Honorarium? Honorarium looking very, very good. Honorarium maybe like 1197 points. We'll pull up Honorarium in a second here. What's Clay doing? Making a follow-up Honorarium video or something? You never know what I'm doing, Outdoor Smile. You never know. Oh my gosh, how did Dog Bro know what I was gonna say? You never know what I'm gonna be doing. Bitcoin hit my target for the weekly close yesterday. In the final 15 minutes, the parabolic move of the last 3 months continues on. Old Rounder, man. Yeah, dude, Bitcoin pulling back over like 24 hours ago and then bouncing back nicely. So you had a little bit of a purple day yesterday, bringing Bitcoin down to 43. And then, my goodness, the trend line continues. And as you can see, the trend line is continuing on here. So I would say until this ascending trend line is broken to the downside, you're still in a bullish move, man. All of it, 100% of it, has to deal with speculation surrounding the Bitcoin ETF approval. This huge purple line right here, taking it from $45,000 to $40,000, like a 10+% decrease, was on the idea that simply, well, maybe an ETF won't be approved this month. And then people said, who are we kidding? An ETF is guaranteed to be approved. And we're right back up testing these fresh multi-year highs at 45,000. So we'll see how it plays out. But yeah, man, everybody is just euphoric right now that the Bitcoin ETF is all but guaranteed to be approved by the SEC. Been here just listening while working. Crypto Dreamer, good deal, man. Because I'm in the house. Dark Bro is in the house. Let's see. Jeez, what's with all the bananas everywhere? Dark Bro, you seen a lot of bananas somewhere, man? Or what do we got going on here? Dark Bro closes his eyes and sees bananas. Did you see the article from a SEC official cybersecurity expert? Opines on catastrophic spot Bitcoin ETFs. No. Russell, I did not see that one. I saw a couple articles this morning surrounding the Bitcoin ETFs. Number one of which was, I believe, former BitMEX CEO stating that the ETF approval could lead to Bitcoin hitting all-time highs, $60,000 to $70,000. But he expects a 30 to potentially 40% pullback at the beginning of March because of Federal Reserve reverse repo. There was one other thing, and then the interest rate cut that possibly could take place at the March 20th, I believe, meeting with the FOMC. The other article that I saw was the SEC warning people, do not FOMO in, do not make any money, do not buy Bitcoin. And I don't know why they're saying that, man. But those are the two articles that I was reading this morning about Bitcoin ETFs. So, Russell, I did not see the one that you're quoting right there. Dark Psycho, Psychic. One or the other, man. They go hand in hand, Moji. No, I said I'm in your house. That's how I knew what you were going to say before you did. Gotcha. Oh, because I'm in the house. My house. I thought you were just in the house. I was like, all right, well, Dark Bro's at home right now. Shouldn't we all be at home right now? I ain't used to this using a heater in Florida. I gotta see what the temperature is in Florida. This guy's using a heater and it's probably like 70 degrees. Let's see here. Here's my Chrome. $60 degrees, man. 60 degrees. Yeah, I don't know, man. If you don't have a furnace on or anything, 60 degrees could get a little cool out there, but oh boy, you Florida boys. You Florida boys crying over 60-degree weather, man. I don't know about you Florida boys. I don't know. First, no toast is first. Hakuna Matata. What a wonderful phrase. Makes me remember J-Bones all of my days. Hey everybody, just a quick hit and run. CD Witt's gone all week. He's off having fun. He's not around. Yes, he's out of town. Wishing you a day that won't let you down. Dang it, that was beautiful, Pika. That was absolutely beautiful. You guys coming in hot like that, I love it. So much Shib to go into Syria. Russell, we're going to check out Syria in a second here. Dude, in Florida is using a heater, and I'm sitting in my car in a parking lot at work, eating my lunch with my windows open, and it's 32 degrees outside. Yeah, Gary, these Florida boys, man, they don't know what cold is. Dark Bro! Thank you very much for the banana. After you peel the banana, you take the banana, you tilt the head back, you lick the banana, and you stick the banana. Dark Bro, thank you very much for properly demonstrating to people how to eat a banana in the lick and stick technique, man. I love it. Yes, Michael Colea, TBO. Yo. What's going on, Mike? Glad to have you in here. I'll keep a keeper. Pika power to Pulto. Ahoo! What's going on, new foe? Temps are supposed to hit the negatives next weekend. Oh my gosh, dude. Nobody likes negatives. Who is late being late? Man, everybody's late being late. Nobody likes being late. That's why you gotta be late when you're late. That didn't make any sense at all, but I said it anyway. It's 25 degrees the other day in PA. Yeah, Michael, man, it is. Ohio's been pretty cold too, especially towards the night. I saw 18 on the phone the other day, but that was in the night. By the time it got higher than that, or by the time you woke up, it was higher than that, so no worries there. Bitcoin, guys, watch out for it. Throwing a nice little green candle on the screen right now. Getting ready to test some intraday levels of resistance in this 45,160 area. If it breaks through 45,100 to 45,200, you could be on for a nice rocket ride. So we'll keep our eyes on that, but intraday levels of resistance here, if you guys can see them right here at about 45,175, 45,200. I'm not going to keep this line on the screen because of course we have so many lines on the screen here. I will be taking it off, but just know that this is the intraday level of resistance that you got to watch out for at about 45,200, and that is exactly where Bitcoin is trying to go right now. 45,200. You know what? Let's just leave it on there for the moment. Let's leave it on there for the moment and see if it breaks that or see if it gets denied off of that right there. I am in PA. I am in Ohio. What up, bros? What's going on, Ken, bro? How you doing? I bought Pika yesterday. 80%. 80% discount? Is that what we got? Or is there a coin called Pika? Which one is happening here? I bought Pika yesterday, up 80%. I don't know what's happening. Pika boss or just straight Pika? Hopefully not straight Pika. This is just straight Pika right here. You're probably down in an early round. He bought Pika going down swinging. Yeah, don't buy Pika. Pika's getting... Maybe he did buy Pika. What the heck just happened to this graph right here? Nobody knows. Maybe it was this one. Could be this one. Probably this one. What, he bought it yesterday? This area? I don't think that's... you could be up 80%, yeah. If you got a little dip right here. Got a little dip action. $5 million market cap, up 63% over the last 24 hour. Must have bought Pika Boss. That's what it must be. Pika Boss, dude. What's going on with Shiba? The truth! Well, what do you mean what's going on with Shiba? Shiba Inu coin right now is sitting about 915, 920 points per coin. 916 points per coin. And trying its best to follow Bitcoin. Bitcoin is stealing the show at the moment. If you want a little bit more specific updates on like whale transactions or volume or Shibarium burns or the ecosystem team and the fact that they have burned nothing, not exactly sure what information you're looking for, but I can definitely break it down if you want a little bit more detail. But overall, Shiba Inu coin is trying to follow Bitcoin, but Bitcoin's still on the show at the moment, man. Bitcoin down to the bottom left, trying to break 45 too. It attempted it on the last candle, but now it seems as though it might not make it. Webull does have a new update out here, and if you guys notice, I could probably take this stuff off if it gets a little annoying, but it's interesting how it shows you the countdown for each candle now. So this candle's got 10 seconds left on it. We're going to see if it finishes purple, finishes green, or what. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All right, new candle. Yeah. So almost a doji candle right there. This candle's got 55 seconds left on it because we're, of course, on the 1 minute chart. If you go to the 5 minute chart here, this candle's got 2 minutes 50 seconds left on it. So that's an interesting update to count the candles there and see what happens on each one of them. But Bitcoin attempting a 45,200 level of intraday resistance. and we are definitely keeping our eyes on it because it is still trying after a slight rejection over the last 2 minutes. Good morning to you, Ayo Papo. Just looking, lost a 0. I would like it to lose a 0 as well, but it's sitting right there at that 914 point per coin level. Learning some new crypto lingo. Chad equals successful or dominant in the market. G is someone who made significant profits. Russell, I actually don't know all of the I don't even know, crypto lingo, I guess, if you're going to be talking about that type of lingo there. I'm still unfamiliar with all of that, so thank you very, very much for letting me know that a Chad is a successful or dominant person in the market. And Jeet is someone who made significant profits. Appreciate you, Russell. Shiba, Doge, and Bitcoin are crazy. Yes, they are. Ayo, Papa, you're right on that one, man. And Bitcoin, all of this volatility is due to the ETF speculation. Oof, late. Bender, better late than never. Saturday, I forgot it was Saturday. I was refreshing the stream for 5 minutes at least until I realized it. Well, I'm sorry I didn't go live on Saturday, Bender, but thank you very much for refreshing and trying to be first in the chat. XRP still good or dead in the water? No, Aiden, I think XRP is still good, man. I think that Ripple as a company is going to be a successful company. Now, that could just be me, but I believe a lot of people think that way. Ripple is dealing with a lot of crap from the SEC, but I do believe that Ripple has an absolute purpose. And I believe that as they realize that purpose, clearly XRP is going to be worth more money, man. Bro fam, DD214, what's happening? Why was I in a chat and you weren't on the screen? I got you up now. Weird. Outdoor Smile, I have no idea, man. No idea. That is very weird, dude. Moji, I got this stuff ready to go. Let's say this, man. I'm not going to go to the post office today, but I can try to go to the post office and probably FedEx instead of UPS tomorrow. I can try and go tomorrow because I got everything ready to go, so I should be able to do that. I don't think I'm going to go today, though. I just don't think I'm going to go today. Stuff's ready to go, but I don't think I'm going to go today. Let's see, everybody. Super Bowl 2025. J-Bones could be correct on that one, man. See, J-Bones knows this stuff. You into stocks, too? Yes. Ayo, Papo. I am into stocks as well. Maybe a fantasy football ring. No, not this year. Maybe next year. But this year, a fantasy football trophy. Fantasy football ring could be kind of cool, like a Super Bowl ring. I think an Outdoor Smile always coming up with the cool ideas out there. Expect a spike close to the ETF approval, then a dramatic drop close. Okay, so let's Ayo Papo, man. Let me see if I can pull the article up first, so I'm not just quoting you guys stuff out of thin air. Bitcoin correction, I think. Yeah, this one. So this is what I was reading. Man, Bitcoin's breaking. Yeah, Bitcoin just has this tiny little level of intraday resistance left up at this wick. If it breaks this, man, it could be out. But Bitcoin's looking pretty strong right now, above that 45.2 level. We'll check back on that in about 2 seconds here, right after we look at this, okay? So, talking about Bitcoin, I guess volatility picking up here. Former BitMEX chief, I think it's the chief executive officer, predicts a 30% Bitcoin correction. Warns spot Bitcoin ETFs could make it worse. Now, maybe, okay? He believes that spot Bitcoin ETFs could turn it into a 40% correction. The title's a little misleading there, but he's talking about the fact that spot Bitcoin ETFs could send the price higher, of course, leading to a higher percentage decrease at that time. So just so you guys, we're not going to read through this entire article here, but some of the quotes here. I expect Bitcoin to experience a healthy 20 to 30% correction from whatever level it has attained by early March. The washout could be even more severe if the slate of U.S. listed spot Bitcoin ETFs have already commenced trading. So these are the reasons why. First variable, Federal Reserve repurchase operations, the Fed's reverse repurchase operations, or the reverse repo. $200 billion getting ready to be repurchased in early March. Okay. Second, he said on March 12th, the broke banks must find the cash to swap U.S. Treasuries and other eligible bonds they repoed with the Fed. Okay. And the final kind of catalyst that he's got coming up in March here is the March 20th Federal Reserve Open Market Committee, or FOMC, meeting to talk about interest rates. They expect a 25 basis point interest rate cut starting in March of 2021. Of course, if that doesn't happen, that is probably going to be very bad. If it does happen, it could also be bad for Bitcoin, because people might start moving into more risky assets in the sense of stocks first. Okay? So right now, interest rates are high, but know that people are going to be on edge all March long. Then I believe it's April, right? April leads into the Bitcoin halving. So you got a lot of catalysts coming up in March here. So here's what he talks about Bitcoin spot ETFs. As for spot Bitcoin ETFs, Hayes describes, imagine if the anticipation of hundreds of billions of dollars in fiat flowing into these ETFs at a future date propels Bitcoin above 60,000 and close to its all-time highs of 70,000. So he actually does expect the speculation surrounding an ETF to boost the price of Bitcoin. Then, if that already happens by March, he could easily see a 30 to 40% correction due to the dollar liquidity rug pull, talking about all these factors up here with interest rates, the reverse repo, and banks coming due with these bonds here. So he says if my forecast is correct, the market will start meaningfully correcting around March 12th. So he does expect Bitcoin ETFs to have a very positive effect on the price of Bitcoin. Dropped internet connection. Thank you very much for the member chat. Let's go. X1 Algo making 2024 the best year ever. All right, let's see what we got here with X1 Algo. Is that even a thing? Can we see that? What's happening right now? X1 Algo. Is that a thing? You're not talking about this one, are you? Dropped internet. You're not talking about this little thing with a $30,000 market cap, right? I don't know if that's the one you're talking about or not. So, in the meantime, we'll leave Honorarium up there since it's doing phenomenally right now. And let's see. Well, Geopet says, Dark Bro, did Honorarium hit a new all-time high? I thought it did. No, almost. Almost, Geopet. You can see it right there. It wicked up earlier, a little bit higher. Let's see. Maintaining that at 0, so we're still good. Heck yeah, Dark Bro. Bitcoin taking off. 45,305. It's going to go, Russ. It's going to go, Russ. It's going to go, Russ. It's going to go. Click. Aliens. What? Nephilim. Or simply kids sitting off firecrackers and hitting each other with sticks. I have no idea what we're talking about right now. What did I miss? What happened over the weekend that I missed here? Did I miss something? I don't want to miss it. I might have missed something. Miami Mall. There's something going on in the Miami Mall right now. Dude, Bitcoin is looking solid right there. It really is. Okay, hold on. This is kind of weird. This is actually kind of weird. I don't know what we're talking about here yet. But this is a little strange. Rumors of shadow aliens at Bayside Marketplace go viral after large fight among teens creates chaos. What is a shadow alien? Large brawl between teenagers caused chaos at Bayside Marketplace, downtown Miami on Monday night. However, social media users claimed that it was ensued when something much more extraterrestrial. As the fight drew a heavy police presence in the area that evening, rumors quickly spread around Twitter and other social media platforms suggesting the police weren't there to handle a group of rowdy teens, but rather 8-foot-tall shadow. What the heck? According to the amateur video posted online, there are moments when a big creature could be seen in plain sight standing in front of the entrance of the shopping mall, causing online conspiracists to post their takes on exactly what happened. Dude, hold on. I gotta show you guys this real quick. Talking about shadow aliens, man. Let me see. Oh, man, that's... Alright, I'll let you guys decide. Thought it was a stock crypto channel? Yeah. Think again, man. We're talking about the shadow aliens here. You guys gotta see this. This is from my camera last night. Alright? Watch the bottom. It's gonna be this side for you. So the bottom left-hand side of the screen. What is this thing? What kind of a shadow alien was that, man? I had shadow aliens walking across my yard last night. I'll show you guys one more time. Look at this. Bottom left. I don't even know what that was. I don't even know what that was, dude. Was it 4 o'clock in the morning? Yeah, I've had a cat coming across over the last couple of days, and it's been like 18 degrees in the middle of the night. And I've been checking the camera to make sure that cat's not dead or whatever in the morning. And dude, last night, 4 o'clock in the morning, I got some creepy shadow going like straight into my patio door. Hey, yo, Papo, dude, I don't think that was a camera glitch, man. I don't think that was a camera glitch. It was definitely a weird shadow. Definitely a weird shadow for sure, man. I don't know. It was a creepy shadow. I mean, it was enough to set the camera off, right? It was enough to set the camera off, but stinking wild, man. Wild. I don't know what it was, dude. I don't know what that was. Chipbro's a Chipbro might be a shadow alien at this point. So, dude, I hear about these 8-foot-tall shadow aliens, and I caught an 8-foot-tall shadow alien on my camera last night. Yeah, JB, you didn't know what you were bringing up, but I got footage of the shadow alien right there, trying to come into my house in the middle of the night, dude. Yeah, I don't like that stuff. Bitcoin, though. Bitcoin, we're bringing it back down. Bitcoin, come on down. Sitting at $45,372 right now. It is getting ready, dude. It is breaking through this intraday level of wicked resistance at 45,381 right now. Bitcoin is looking very, 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 very strong over the last hour, as the rest of the crypto market not looking nearly as strong over the last hour. So people going straight up into Bitcoin right there. Thanks, Clay, for teaching an old dog new crypto. Gary, man, absolutely. And if there's anything else, dude, that you ever have questions on, this is the place to ask them. Because if we don't have answers, we'll find them. We'll find the answers. Better have a shotgun. I do not have a shotgun, actually. What do I need now? A shotgun? Do I need salt in this shotgun? I don't even know what you guys are talking about right now, but do I need a shotgun filled with salt? What is happening that I need to get? Because it was very strange. And I can see it a little bit better on there than you guys can see it. I could probably post it in the Discord if you guys want to see it in the Discord, but it's a weird video, man. It's a weird video. The thing like straight shadows right into my door. And it was 4:11. And I can tell you right now that it wasn't like a car's headlights making the shadow, because at 5 o'clock they started turning their lights on. In the 5 o'clock hour, they started turning the lights on up there, and you could easily see when their lights come on. So yeah, I don't know what that was, dude. I don't know what that was. Why is Shib stuck? My gosh, this name. Srinivasulu Kadiri, man. Shiba Inu coin is stuck right now because Bitcoin is taking all the attention, right? Bitcoin is gearing up for a potential ETF approval or rejection. Therefore, it's taking all the money and all the attention, making Shiba Inu coin kind of seem stuck at the moment. Not really wanting to go higher, not really wanting to go lower. Shapeshift with a crypto question. DD214. He can at least wait until the live stream to ask it. He doesn't have to wait, or he doesn't have to come in at 4 o'clock in the morning and get an answer. Uploaded on X, bro. You talking about the video there? What people think that might be? It was very strange shadow. Now I know I got a lot of animals around my backyard, but that was a weird shadow, and it's not a headlight shadow, because when they have headlights on, you can easily see on the camera because it lights up the backyard there. You can go to Shotgun Bro. What's going on with you, man? And if I did, Dark Bro, am I supposed to fill it with salt? I don't even know what's going on. Not financial advice, but personal opinion. Buy the market dip. Hey, yo, Papo. If you're here for the long term, it's always buy the dip, man. Dollar cost averaging is the only essentially tried and true method that guarantees, and I say guarantee because if you look at past performance over time, overall diversified portfolio or overall market portfolio has always gone up since the beginning of time. Clay's gotta watch some Supernatural. Call Dean to investigate. I do have to watch some Supernatural then, man, because I don't know what I need this salt shotgun for. What is Honorarium sitting at? Honorarium is sitting near an all-time high. These are aliens here. Me greeting the alien, the Miami Mall. Oh my gosh, dude. I don't know what these kids are doing here, but no, they didn't have no shadow aliens. I had the shadow aliens. Honorarium is actually sitting at 1186 right now. Honorarium is doing very good, dude. $123,000 market cap. Dude, I don't know where it's going to leg up to on its next run, but trying to break out of there. $13,000 locked in the liquidity pool. Dark Bro better not rug us or the shadow is going to come get him. Circulating supply of 10,400,000,000. 130 holders now. Very, very nice. 130 holders. $1,310 in 24-hour volume. And man, look at this. Total transactions of 2,440 total transactions there. Honorarium looking pretty nice at the moment. Let's see. Fill it with salt. Can you even fill a shotgun with salt, or you just fill the cartridge? Like, what do you do? You fill a little shotgun shell with salt instead of pellets and shoot salt at it? What is even happening, man? How does that do anything? Hey, bro. So I'm staking Crow on a DeFi wallet, and I received Liquid Crow. Anyone know why I received Liquid Crow that eventually gave me like $7 more? Crypto Con Raul Valdez Reyes, man. I do not know, but I'm going to tell you this right now. If you don't know where it came from or nobody else does, don't interact with it, okay? Don't interact with it if you don't know where it came from or if it doesn't seem legitimate, okay? That's one of the first things that you should not do. Just let it go. I don't know anything about that. If anybody else in here has had a personal experience with that or seen anybody on X or YouTube or whatever, they got ripped because of Liquid Crow or whatever, But yeah, man, just be careful with that, please. Need to drop 2 more of those zeros. I would love it if Honorarium dropped 2 more of those zeros. 12 gauge semi-auto with what, Flechetti rounds? Just saying. Is that Flechetti or Flechette rounds? Flatchet? I don't even know how to pronounce that word, Frank. Do you call it a flatchet round when it's filled with salt? Is that what we got going on right now? I don't even know. Syria has a mainnet that just went live and a bridge. The developer wallet has $180,000 in Ethereum. Let's check out Syria real quick, guys. Syria down 8%. Oh, this is the one that was doing phenomenally over the last couple of months here. Just watch out for a potential double bottom in this area at 006, okay? 006 could hold up to be a pretty strong level of support. If not, I would definitely watch out, okay? Support here, support at 004, a little support at 003. But, dude, if that breaks, man, you're all the way back down here, another 95% decline. I know you don't want to be sitting on another 95% decline back down to a $500,000 market cap instead of a $6 million market cap. So just watch out. Syria might be curling over. It had a very nice run there. If it does, I mean, you could always average down on it, but just be aware, dude, that the pressure does seem negative right now, even though Bitcoin is attempting a breakout. Bitcoin in the bottom left-hand side of the screen there is looking very strong today. Any coin that's not necessarily looking very strong today, you got to wonder what's going on. Now, it could be due to the fact that Bitcoin is ripping and getting ready to attempt a breakout, that people are pulling out of some of these smaller assets and moving into Bitcoin. So you do have to think about that. Let's see. I just woke up and I look at Super Saiyan with black hair. Hey, yo, Papo, man. That's an awesome look. I look like that sometimes as well. That's an awesome look. Dreams Quest. Bender. What is Dreams Quest? I am the shadows. Dark bro. Well, come save me, man. C. Clay. You said the honorarium video may not help. I think it helped a lot. I'm actually surprised. I was sitting at 100 or 101 holders when I did the video, and I am actually... I wonder, though, if you guys just split your wallets up or if some more people did jump in because of that honorarium video. I do want to know that question, the answer to that question. Let's see here. What are your thoughts about the $1.2 million sent to Infamous Wallet? Somebody trying to flush out the owner of the wallet, making them claim to the IRS new laws. If you receive $10,000, you must report. Gary. I mean, not Gary. I was reading Gary's name. Dropped internet. Yeah, maybe, dude. But I'm going to tell you right now, I don't think that Satoshi Nakamoto is going to be revealing himself to the IRS ever. Okay? I think that one of the reasons he created Bitcoin in the first place was because of the nonsense involved with centralized finance. So I don't think that it's going to flush them out if that was the intention. I didn't read the article, but I read the headline that somebody sent $1.2 million, right, worth of crypto to the Bitcoin Genesis wallet. And if they're doing it to try and make him claim his taxes, no, that's not going to work there. Yeah, man, I don't know. I don't know what their intentions were with that, or if they were just saying, thank you, here's $1 million. I made a crap ton of money on Bitcoin. That was my first thought, was this guy probably made a crap ton of money on Bitcoin and wanted to say thank you. So he sent $1.2 million worth to that wallet there. You know, I don't know how much money he had. Okay, I don't know how much money that guy's got in Bitcoin. But that's where my mind went with it. This dude, made tens of millions or hundreds of millions of dollars, and he wanted to say a little thank you to the founder of Bitcoin. Flashette. All right, Flashette. It's essentially a shell with many razor. Oh my gosh, dude. Flashette, dude. That sounds dangerous, man. My goodness. Yes, great honorarium video. Clay said, trust me, bro, without saying trust me, bro. You guys can't always trust me, bro. I mean, you can't always trust me, bro, though. Like, because the moral of my story will always be that you need to make up your decision, or you need to make up your own mind for yourself, okay? I'm never going to tell you guys go buy something. I'm never going to tell you guys to follow me. I did this, you should do this, or whatever. The complete intention of any of my videos or whatever are always, you guys are smart enough to make up your own mind. Even if you're not smart enough to make up your own mind, I don't know you as well as you do. So you're always going to be better off than I am when it comes to decisions like that. So, yeah, you can trust me, bro. You can trust me. Check out NetZ token. Gregory, I have not, man. Let's take a look at it. Bro, that video brought in almost 39 new holders. I thought it might bring in 5. You guys just all split up into 3 new wallets apiece, Dark, bro. I know you did. Already follows Bitcoin most of the time. You reckon it'll reach 100? Shazelle, Sha. We can take a look at it. I got to look at NetZ as well. So we'll try to pull up NetZ real quick. And then we can pull up Wordy if I remember. If not, you're going to have to just remind me in a second here. All right, let's see. Mainnets. Mainnets up 30% today. Not bad price action at all, man. 14 cents, up 30%. To a $20 million market cap. What do we got here? Excellent 7-day price action, up 64% over the last 7 days. A little bit more stagnant on the month, though, but a very, very quick rally at the beginning of the month, which brings it to a 200% increase. Now, yes, all right. So this coin has only been out for about 3 weeks now, and immediately shot up. Hey, here's what I notice about mainnets, okay? It might be finding a level of resistance on its own at 15 cents, but there's no technical resistance on this chart. Hitting new all-time highs, it is going to be, the limit is going to be where traders find that emotional resistance. 15, maybe 20 cents, maybe all the way up to 30, 40, 50 cents. Might go to $1, right? But with no technical resistance on the chart right now, it's all going to boil down to where do these guys want to get in and where do they want to get out at. So mainnet's not looking too bad at all. Thoughts on Maulers? It's the new ICO. The ICO has a 10,000% ROI prediction. Maulers? We'll look at it, man. Stacks going up a wee bit. Nobody knows. Good. It definitely made a difference. And it was almost immediate. Nice. Dark, man. Hopefully it's for the better, right? I ain't splitting wallets. I got my 500 million plus, and it's sitting there. Gary. Nice, man. Little one of the ones Crypto Archie pushes is up 25%. Is it lit? Oh, LITT. Guys are throwing a lot of them out there today. Lit. Okay. Lit Lab Games. Wow, dude, 22% gain today. Not bad at all. A little $12 million market cap coin here. Sitting at a 20% weekly gain. Month, it's still down on the month, though. Ooh, dude, this is a nice annual graph right here. 0029. 20x gains since November. Where do these gains come from, dude? This is wild. I don't know what they did, but this is wild. Literally from May of this year, when Pepe and all those coins were ripping, through November, nothing but lower prices. And then out of nowhere, dude, a 30x gain. I don't know what caused this. You guys might know more about it than I do, but 30x gain out of nowhere to take this coin from literally nothing up to, I don't know, it was probably like 15, 16, maybe $20 million valuation right there before pulling back a little bit. Let's see, XYO is doing okay. Don't laugh at me. I'm a beginner. XYO. Dude, nobody's ever going to laugh at you, even if you are a beginner, man. Nobody's ever going to laugh at you. Down 6% on the day today. On the week, it is down 14%. On the month, actually, it's just down 13% on the month there. And, all right, starting to curl back over on this annual graph. You know, I think we may have looked at this more recently because I remember this annual graph here, okay? This does have a lot of potential. It's got potential to 10x to get back up to these levels right here. From the current half a cent up to 5 cents would take you up 10x to get to this 2021 spike. If you look at the annual chart, though, resistance back in January couldn't break. Resistance back in February couldn't break. Now, notice where this little horizontal dotted line is, okay, because we're about to come right over there again. Tapping these resistance levels, it basically 007. Fast forward, December, could not break that 007, bounced off. Could not break that 007, bounced off. Now, at the end of the middle of December, you did have a little support level that held up here at the current level of 005. It's tapping that exact level right now. If it breaks down through that, I would be cautious or concerned that you're going to see 004 or potentially a drop back down to 003. So keep your eyes on that, man. It'd be okay if it bounces off this level from here and finds support, but if it doesn't, you could see a very, very quick decline back down to 004. And that would be like almost a 50% loss from these recent highs that it was testing there. Gary, even eBay wants me to file. Crazy, man. Talking about taxes again. Oh, my gosh. Oh, my goodness. He actually pronounced my name right. I love your content, mate. Been watching you for a long time. Keep up the good work. Oh, my gosh. Shazale Shah, man. Shazale Shah. Thank you very much. And you got a hard name, dude. You got a hard name. So I'm glad I got it right. And if I get it wrong, I'm very sorry. It's not an easy name to say there. I'll send the IRS some nose hair clippings. Oh, my gosh. Don't do that, man. You don't want them coming after you. Well, I'll have to see you guys at 4 because I have to go have a one-on-one with my boss. I'm either going to get chastised, rewarded, or promoted. So wish me luck. Good luck, Gary. I hope it is good news as opposed to bad news, man. Yeah, emoji's like, it's probably going to be bad news. Oh, my goodness. Hey, get your boss to subscribe to the channel while you're at it, though. That'll definitely be good news. Yo, Claybro, Happy New Year. Can't always make it, but enjoy the content. Death Wish, man. Thank you very much for letting me know. And it's fine if you guys can't always make it, right? I get it. You guys are busy. You got a lot going on. Hang out whenever you want to hang out. Chat whenever you want to chat. But I do appreciate all you guys watching, clicking likes, and all that type of stuff, man. Where Pudgy? I haven't seen Pudgy today. I do not know where Pudgy is at. Nobody knows. You're welcome, man. Thank you for bringing up a good question there. Pudgy MIA. Yes, we need to find Pudgy. Some of these other coins that you guys were talking about in the meantime, while you guys are getting a search party ready for Pudgy, let's see. Some new wallets bought $550 worth today on a single transaction. Dang, man. Honorarium. Got a new honorarium whale loading up there. Ordy is what I wanted to see. All right, this one. Already following Bitcoin, guys. $69.79 here. Man, smokes. It's got $1.5 billion market cap right here. Sitting at, $70, which just at 69. What the heck just happened? $70.35, up 2.5% on the day today. It is down about 9% on the week. On the month, it is doing very well, up 35% on the month. Wow. Over the last 4 months, it's been looking very good. Holy smokes. Look at that. $3 to 70, a 20x gain since October here. Wow. Dude, what crazy action over the last 4 months. There are so many coins that if that BitMEX CEO is correct, and we do get a 30 to 40% correction in Bitcoin in March, due to all these dollar liquidity issues. Smokes, man. There's going to be a lot of opportunity. I think there's a lot of opportunity right now, knowing that we're still decades into saturating the cryptocurrency market. But, dude, 20x gains is phenomenal. And it's like across the board, too. You can pick so many large coins out there, and they've had phenomenal returns over the last 3 to 4 months. Coming back down in the chat, though, let's see what we got. Call Mr. Savin to find Pudgy. Oh, wait, he's lost, too. You guys need to send a search party out for everybody. Where is everybody? Bring them back, man. Ask Barney. Yeah, somebody find Grandpa Barney. Ask him where Mr. Simon's at. And Mr. Simon might know where Pudgy's at. What is happening to everybody? An AMC Trapper. We need AMC Trapper in here on the daily as well. I know he came in once or twice over Christmas break. But we need AMC Trapper in here on the daily as well. Grandpa Barney. Dude, I haven't seen Grandpa Barney since the day after my birthday in, I think, 2022. Right? I don't think he came in 2023, did he? I think it was like 2022. Was it 2023? Now I forget if it was 2023 when Grandpa Barney came in here. Or if it was 2022. Crypto's spiking. I'm here. DD214, you are here. Oh, man. Is Bitcoin ripping again? Bitcoin, dude. Wow. All right. So Shiba Inu coin actually looking pretty solid right now. Shib up 5% on the day, going from 910 to 927. Bitcoin about to go off the chart. Bitcoin, dude, $300 from here, and you're testing an annual high on Bitcoin. Look. $400 from here. 45,940, currently sitting at 45,560. A $400 move higher breaks Bitcoin out, and we touch an annual high. I think we got to go all the way back to April of 2022 before you see that level again. Yeah, dude, beginning of April. April 4th, 2022 would have been the last time we saw that high of a level. Wow. Year and a half later, guys. Year and a half later. Now, please know, okay, that was after a nice rally off of $33,000 lows. It came up, tested this 200 period moving average, and then fell off hard over the coming months. So please watch out for that. Now, the moving average is now below where we're currently at, which is a very good sign. But this $45,000, $46,000 level, it was attempted back in April of 2022 when we were trying to rally back up, hit, curled, and then spent the next couple of months just going much, much lower, all the way down to that 17,000 low, and then from there touching 15,000. So just watch out for it, guys. I do hope that it breaks and it rips higher. But with so much speculative news going on right now surrounding ETFs and everything else, you just got to be cautious. Take some money if you're making some money. Make some money as you're taking some money. But just know that prices are very volatile. They can be going up and down. Whereas Lauren, I haven't seen, my gosh, dude, I think it's been since 2021 since we've seen Lauren in here, hasn't it? And I know I'm saying her name right now. Bringing back memories, man. Lauren. Not Lauren. Lauren. Yeah. No idea where she's at. Somebody go find her, too. Darn it, Clay. Moji, what did I do? Oh. Moji's messing with DD214. I messed that up. Moji, man. My bad. Let's see. I got it. We're at chat 69. Yeah, exactly, Dark Bro. I have no idea where the hot boys and girls chat is. He hasn't been in here in forever either. Just working and working and working. Yeah, DD214 sounds about right, man. Not financial advice. I told you to buy the market dip. Hey, yo, Papo, you did, man. You did. It's never financial advice. Look at this, man. Now Shib moving to the upside. Breaking 930. It's a strong hour for Shiba Inu coin here. Look at this. Going from these lows down here at 914 up to 915, 930. 16-point gain, not bad at all. There's Bitcoin down at the bottom left. It's doing the exact same thing. Oh, man. I have a feeling that in between the lives, I have a feeling we're going to be touching some annual highs on Bitcoin here. Yeah. It's going to happen in between the lives. Then by the time we come back, it'll be back down. And everybody like, wah, wah. Clay comes back and the market moves lower. Ah, boy. Check out Injective. Bender. Let's look at Injective. Yeah, Gorilla. What he said. Yeah. What I said or what somebody else said? Holding for the long term, not selling. Hey, yo, Papo, man. Oh, yeah. Fine. Man, what the heck? We got Wana. We got Lauren. We got Grandpa Barney. Pudgy. Mr. Simon, AMC Trapper. The heck are these people? Rocket. We need Rocket. These guys, man. We need to go on a manhunt. Find where these people are. I know this is going to be hitting an annual high in between the lives. Let's look up Injective real quick, though. INJECTIVE. Injective up 12.76% today. $41.80. Switch to this screen so you guys can actually see it. $41.80. Okay, testing some resistance levels, though, on the weekly chart there. Watch out for that. And on the monthly. Has been unable to break up through this 44 area. So tabbing it, coming down, tabbing it, coming down, tabbing it, coming down. Tabbing it, coming down. It's having a very difficult time breaking out of this area that it's in. So just keep your eyes on that. But wow, dude, what a strong year for Injective. Holy smokes, man. 30x gains. Going from about $1.50 to $45. Injective is looking phenomenal on the year there. My gosh. Please cover AQST stock if you got time. They have price targets at $12, $16, and $24 now, which is a little crazy. Maybe it can hit $6 again. It was at $6.40, and then they got rejected for Libervant in 2021. John, we talking about a pharmaceutical company? AQST. Yeah. Well, they're getting a lot of attention today, man, and they've gone from $1.25 in October to the $2.60 that they're at right now. They got a lot of resistance in this $2.60 area, so please be very careful with that. We could pull them up and talk about them in the afternoon live stream here, but yeah, it wouldn't be impossible to get back up to that $6 mark again if they can break this seemingly very strong level of resistance at $2.60. So we'll pull it up and look at it. Oh, man, Bitcoin's getting ready to rip that level as we're getting ready to sign off here. This is nuts. Guys, take a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin, 45,700. It is getting ready to move, man. Let's see. Find Mr. Norm. Mr. Enormous might be in here. Mr. Enormous might be. He listens. He doesn't chat all the time, but he listens. Do you think we can look at articles on Shib during the live stream? Yeah, sure. Kenneth, absolutely. When Grandpa Barney. Soon. Grandpa Barney. Soon. Dark Bro says, as Bitcoin is flying to a new annual high, Huibro is flying to a new annual high. Dark Bro, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Absolutely appreciate that, man. Taking us past the 1 o'clock hour. Oh my gosh, guys. Get your names in the chat right now. We are not lightheaded at all. We are doing good. Get your names into the chat right now. We're going to do some shout outs as Bitcoin touching 45,925, 930, 930, 899. Bitcoin getting ready to reach those new annual highs right here. The level is 940 that it has to beat. It is currently sitting at 907. I told you guys, as soon as we sign off, it's going to be hitting it. Get your names in the chat. We're going to do some shout out. Oh, Dark Bro hitting me with the upside down. I knew he would. I knew he would. Dark Bro hit me here. Dark Bro, thank you very much. Golly, dude, I'm going to pass out now. Dark Bro, thank you. We got Nufo saying... Nufo, thank you very much for the super chat. Dark Bro, thank you very much for the super chat. Who? Mike Jones. What's going on, Mike? Guys, get your names in the chat right now. We're going to do some shout outs. We will be back. Watch Bitcoin testing that new annual high right there. We got a shout out to Luke C, man. See you later, Luke C. Enjoy your afternoon. Dropped internet. See you later. We got Luke C, SD, Kenneth. We got Mike Jones. Who? Mike Jones, we got Dark Bro, Nufo, Dark Bro, Moji, Kenneth, Dark Bro, SD, Bender, Tashi Ellis, we got Giovanni, Old Rounder, we got Artyom, we got Outdoor Smile, DD214, Dark Bro, Pika Power, see you later Pika, Geo, Frank, Pika, Crypto Cone, Raul Valdez Reyes, Dark Bro, Nufo, Butu, Ahoo! There's your high, guys, there's your high as we are signing off. Bitcoin touching levels that we have not seen since April 4th of 2022. You guys know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope to each and every one of you have an awesome day.